Okay, guys, we are looking at question 1, 4,575 divided by 6. And we're going to solve this using the box or area method. I'm going to use the box method. That's how it's set up in that little image that you can use as a guide. So that's what we're going to go with. So we're going to start with our dividend of 4,575. I'm going to put him in a box. I'm dividing that by 6. So I'm going to start at the far left side and look at the number 4. And I'm just looking at that 4. If I have 4 dots, how many groups of 6 can I make? Well, none, because 4 is smaller than 6. So I'm going to go next door. If I have 45 dots, how many groups of 6 can I make? This is when we start thinking of our multiples and our 6 facts. And I know that I could make 7 groups because 7 times 6 is 42. I'm going to put 2 zeros here to fill in and know that those zeros also go up here. So 700 times 6 would give me 4,200. Now I'm ready to subtract. Ugh, words. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 0 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. We don't actually need that 0, but I'm going to put it there just so you know it still exists. Now, I'm going to move this guy up top and get ready to solve this problem. 375 divided by 6. Again, I'm going to start on the far left side. If I have 3 dots, how many groups of 6 can I make? Well, the answer is none because 3 is less than 6. I'm going to add in the next door neighbor. If I have 37 dots, how many groups of 6 can I make? Again, we're using our fast facts and our multiples of 6 here to think of this. I know that 6 times 6 is 36. That's as close as I can get to 37 without going over. I need to put a 0 in here to fill that gap, so I'll also put 1 up top. And now it's clear that 60 times 6 gave us 360. So now we're going to subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 3 minus 3 is 0. Next box, bring that 15 up top. Same process. I'm going to start on the far left side. If I have 1 dot, how many groups of 6 can I make? None, because 1 is less than 6. So I'm going to go next door. If I have 15, how many groups of 6 can I make? I can make 2 groups. 2 times 6 is 12. That would be 12 dots. There's nobody left over here for me to line zeros up with, so I don't need to worry about that. So I can go ahead and do my subtraction problem. 15 minus 12 leaves me with 3. Now, 3 is less than 6, so rather than moving 3 to another box over here, I know that that is my remainder. And once I add these guys together and include that remainder, I've found my answer. So 4,575 divided by 6 is 762. Remainder 3.